Boys, Wonderful Girls, and a Unicorn, and it's a Western by Alan.
I will write my book now. Let's see. I will call it Wonderful Boys, Wonderful Girls, and a Unicorn by Alan Trammell. Chapter 1. On a nice desert morning, our hero, Sheriff McGillicuddy, looks upon his town with the fondness in his eye, and he says,
I sure do love my town. Good thing we never have any trouble here. 'Cause I am the fastest gun in the West.
Ah, but little did Sheriff McGillicuddy know that magic was coming to town in the form of a unicorn.
My goodness, a rainbow-colored pony with a horn on its head.
You noticed?
I did. How unusual. I have not seen one of them here much, ever.
How the commotion got the attention of Miss Kitty from the saloon. She had to come outside and see what was what.
Why, Sheriff, what we have going on here?
We got some sort of pony creature with that actually talks. It's got a horn on its head and rainbow colored. And I don't know. It's not something I understand.
You're cute.
We just don't take kindly to you, your kind in these parts. Sorry.
My goodness, it looks like a conflict.
I think I'm a bit jealous.
Why? It is just a nice pony creature with great hair.
But it sparkles, it has a horn, and it flies.
I never knew that you had these strange desires, Miss Kitty.
Well, being stuck in my saloon all day, I just get tired. I'd like a little adventure. I'd like a little glimmer and glamour and glitter and horns and wings in my life instead of drunken cowboys and bullets and old French women who drink too much.
End of chapter 1. Chapter 2. The next day, business that needed the sheriff's attention had him step out for a brief while, which left Miss Kitty and the unicorn together by themselves.
Now, Miss Kitty, I think we may have gotten off on the wrong hoof. You and I seem to have a lot more in common than I have with that sheriff fella.
Well, that sheriff fella is no good, let me tell you that much. He drove into town here a month ago. He drove into town here on a month ago on a regular old brown horse.
Oh!
Nothing special, nothing fancy, no horns, no glitter, no wings, no nothing.
And they're stupid.
Yeah, they are stupid.
Mhm.
And so is the sheriff.
I don't know as much about humans, but I do know that I can't talk to a horse because they can't talk.
Well, Miss Unicorn, I just want to know what does bring you into town. I mean, what is your reason for driving in here to the OK Corral and causing a stir throughout the town?
This was the unicorn's moment to introduce herself by name and reveal her biggest secret.
Well, you have to understand, Miss Kitty, I wasn't always a unicorn, see. No, in fact, I was cursed. Yeah, I was cursed by Black Bart's witch. You know, you met her.
I met her?
Yeah.
I did met her. She is a wicked
Wicked
witch.
woman she is, in fact. But it turns out the sarsaparilla had turned. And it turned me into unicorn.
It's a curse.
It's a curse.
Maybe we can help. I know of someone who might be able to unlift the curse.
Oh.
Unless you enjoy being a unicorn. Think about it.
End of chapter 2. Final chapter. The sheriff comes back from his business, and he has managed to defeat none other than the evil cowboy Bart.
Who also happens to be a witch. I have his magic wand. I have his maple syrup.
Yep.
Sheriff,
Yes, Miss
Sheriff.
Kitty.
We have got a problem on our hands. This young unicorn has been put under a spell. And now you have the means. You have the maple syrup and you have the wand. We can turn her back into the beautiful human being that she once was, and then we could put her to work in the saloon.
Well, Miss Kitty, I have been reading the instruction manual that comes with a wand. It only has one spell left. I can either turn her back into a woman, but since you wanted adventure, I could turn you into a unicorn.
Let's think about it for a while.
They thought about it for a while, and a long while. A week passed. Finally, a decision was finally reached on that 8th morning when Miss Kitty decided what she wanted her wish to be.
Oh, Sheriff.
Yes,
Okay.
you want to be a unicorn.
Yeah.
I hate to tell you, the first step is you have to drink the maple syrup.
Sticky.
A little bit. Razzmatazz, rose to my toes, unicorn there she goes. And
Hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw.
I think I'm in love.
The end.
Oh,